Good afternoon, staff, families, and board members and friends of the New England Center for Children. It's Good Friday, April 10th, 2020. This is my sixth message to all of you since the crisis began. Let me update you on what's been going on. In the last 5 weeks, 3 staff have tested positive for COVID. One of them is cleared to return to work on Monday, and due to the vigilance of our staff, self-reporting it upon the onset of potential symptoms, we have been able to prevent the spread of COVID on the 2 teams that were impacted. If you have not heard from us about potential exposure, your child's team has not been exposed. We remain vigilant with our school-wide preparedness measures and require that all staff wear masks and are taking their temperatures prior to working in our facilities. Additionally, we encourage all staff that may be experiencing any potential symptoms of COVID, such as fever, cough, sore throat, shortness of breath, diarrhea, or loss of sense of smell or taste, regardless of the severity of those symptoms, to report immediately to us and their supervisor and our emergency management team. The emergency management team continues to consult with staff showing potential symptoms to ensure that they receive rapid testing in a timely manner. Additionally, as a reminder, all staff at higher risk due to their own pre-existing health conditions should reach out to HR if you have any concerns. As we close out the 5th week of this crisis, we have not had any students test positive. This may change, and we're ready to respond if and when the time comes. We remain concerned for the students and families within our day services program, and we hope to reopen the day school systematically when state officials and medical professionals deem it safe to do so. We attribute our current low levels of COVID across the NECC community to the policies we put in place early in the crisis and to our dedicated and disciplined staff that have changed their behavior to incorporate all the CDC guidelines. I also want to thank and commend the 80 staff who've moved into extended stay hotels in the immediate area, and the more than 100 volunteers who have agreed to work within a potential COVID isolation unit if and when it's needed. Our staff continue to work every day to provide services to all of our students in the residential program. IEPs are proceeding as written. I urge all members of the NECC community to continue to self-isolate, practice good hygiene, wear a mask, stay home, and implement social distancing in your personal life. Remain vigilant and keep washing those hands. Do not let the media, politicians, you know who I'm talking about, or word of mouth convince you to put your guard down or to lessen your consistency with the guidelines set forth by the CDC and DPH. We are limiting the spread of COVID through the personal discipline of our staff, implementing social distancing guidelines, and quickly self-reporting any potential symptoms. We will get you tested right away. This weekend, many of us would be celebrating Passover and Easter with loved ones. However, our current reality does not allow for this. Everyone can enjoy these holidays with their family using technology like FaceTime, Zoom, and Skype. COVID can still be spread on holidays. It does not discriminate. Reduce your risk and the risk to your fellow staff, students, and your families by avoiding face-to-face contact with those you do not currently live with. We continue to stay in contact with the Department of Public Health and senior state health officials. We are expecting a large surge of cases in Massachusetts over the next few weeks. Please continue to utilize all preparedness measures in your daily lives. I want to thank all the members of the NECC community who have donated much-needed personal protective equipment. We are currently very much in need of regular paper surgical masks and, most of all, non-permeable protective gowns. They are in short supply throughout Massachusetts and the United States. If you or someone you know has the ability to donate these items or can connect us with a supplier, a reliable supplier, please reach out to Jared Bozan, our development officer, at jbozan@necc.org. That's JBOUZAN at necc.org. Every little bit can help. Again, I want to thank our incredible staff for working every day and implementing the CDC and DPH recommendations in their personal lives. It is truly because of your consistent efforts that we are able to contain the spread of COVID within our community. What we're doing is working. Thank you, have a safe weekend, and be healthy.